Eastern region is very in Musoga sub-region. Is in Musoga sub-region. I want also to take a special recognition of Honorable Rita Nakayas, an aspirant Mayuge. We have Owekitiwa Mrangira Mugoya. That is Comrade Waiswa, however, the respect person as I'm winding up.
Thank you.
I want to take this honor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
I want to take this honor to thank our president for allowing us. I want to take this special honor to also appreciate our comrade Onabakaya who's not with us, but is watching us. People from Teso, please come and finalize with it. Please come here, people from Teso. People from Teso, can you come over, led by Honorable Comrade Jonathan. Please come over here and just shake hands with the president because the speeches are limited because of time. Just come over. The team from Teso. Teso oye, Kunga Teso, Kunga! Kunga Teso, Kunga! Kunga Bukeni, Kunga! Kunga Busoga, Kunga! Kunga Mayuge, Kunga! Kunga President, Kunga! Kunga Eastern Uganda, Kunga.
Mr. President, Tujak Savage Fan and Teso team and the SG, we have a picture with the Teso team. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
As I'm winding up, Council Chris from Bogesu Sub-Region, please. Council Joshua from Ruka, please come over. Council, two councils from Sebe Sub-Region, please come over. You come over just within 1 minute. Just do it very faster. Let's do it very
DJ. Mama tahule mukati. Riko dutida jamu. Dite tera dutida. Kama we dutida muda chikemu. Riko mama dutida. Wewe buku wana ye dutida tuwemu. Chakawi. Bless my brother.
Maganda keto dema kukoleji.
Kukiriana sehuri. Mana music seni.
This one. Eduka tukawetu kaliwa kutekelanga. Hatukelula tuwakele kawakelea. This
Tembeze tunayimba kwa nyako le banaye. Tumele maso. Kama kanani upida. Leta tembeze tuyoko witumka.
Kimkonga ngerutida leka kuli ile yafe waka.
Abantu witumka etipatini saptebe katuwa sinjire.
Abantu kwa keji wakisa ndibunga madalika desi ya singa.
Akaruka kama obishinja mutego arangiroa sinjirwe.
Jetu mbea karuka kwa usajja ndo arangira ya singwa.
And DJ we call him good. Msima Pinto wanaye kama koseka na kiu. Jangu kwa mpenzi ya kwa weko wangu.
Pinto. Gena president apate kwa Pinto. Atena suru.
Pinto kabisa. Wala nakugamba.
People power. Our power. NUP. Everywhere. Are you feeling good? NUP. Everywhere. We are ready to battle, whether in sunshine or rain. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on the rain, and I'm going to get them Mugambe. People power. Nina Rose kwa nyamba dembi dokura you must welcome mwimbi Nina Rose mpiko mungale zamani Zex Birangi mudu wa namulalie ate manita inayo concert wenda kuwasinda yo bahuriye bibi Dog City Batman everything nice people power our power mauli na mutali mwepo kambala NUPAT hasa minduga yangu Bweza nyo wetu jaje bamoya Yesu wawachi mitadde mu kitero mutegeere nti bwe musula nange bwe nsuleka okyaka bajokolera nti baggala zakedi sola mu kuyimba naffe baggala ebidongo ebyongevuddeko mutegedde ekituufu mu mazima kwentudde Uganda yeyange balugera agali awamu geegaluga ennyama nange kunga bannayuganda tube mu ntuumu ababodaboda bagoba mu mpakasa n'abatagisa abakubiddwa mu kibuga Kampala abewakiseka nateete mbagamba Abawano mwabwe tugoba omulembe guno omulembe omukuta sirina kyengufunyeeko wabula okundabya ennaku omulembe omukuta kugenda wala tekuddaagamu